Hey everyone! Today, we're exploring three leading video editing solutions: InVideo, FILMORA, and Adobe Premiere Pro. We'll review each program's features and help you decide which best suits your skill level and project needs. I've included links in the description below to download and try each one out for yourself, so be sure to check them out. Let's start with InVideo, a fantastic option for beginners and those who prioritize ease of use. InVideo's browser-based platform eliminates the need for large downloads and allows editing from any device with an internet connection. Its drag-and-drop interface is incredibly intuitive, making navigating easy even without prior video editing experience. InVideo's strength lies in its vast library of pre-designed templates categorized for various platforms: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and more. These templates offer stunning visuals and professional layouts, often incorporating transitions, text effects, and background music. Furthermore, InVideo incorporates several helpful AI features. Its script-to-video function allows you to input a script and automatically generate a video with accompanying visuals. The AI-powered resizing tool seamlessly adapts videos for different aspect ratios, saving significant time. Its generous media library, containing stock footage, music, and effects, complements its user-friendly editing environment, adding to the tool's appeal and quality. It truly fits every workflow and every style of creator, whether you're editing casually on your own time or a team needing something done efficiently. InVideo's accessibility makes it a great choice for everyone, ensuring that no one is left out of the video editing journey. Next, we move to FILMORA, an excellent choice for intermediate editors seeking a balance of ease of use and powerful functionality. I started editing with FILMORA 2 in 2015, and I couldn't be happier with that choice. I did not want to have a big learning curve like other, more complex professional editors. FILMORA maintains an intuitive interface, still using a user-friendly drag-and-drop methodology, making it readily accessible even for those transitioning from basic software, such as InVideo. This intuitive interface makes the process quick and relatively painless. It excels in blending user-friendliness with access to an array of features normally absent in beginner editors. For example, FILMORA boasts robust built-in effects, including transitions, filters, and animated motion graphics, giving your projects a highly polished look. You can easily access green screen functionalities that otherwise require intensive software knowledge and hours to process. It further enhances this versatility by implementing advanced color grading options and the ability to fine-tune color palettes with presets. But its unique appeal is its powerful AI capabilities, including features such as AI Smart Cutout, effortlessly removing backgrounds without a green screen, and AI Audio Denoise, removing background noise without specialized knowledge. In addition to, basic features such as 4K or even high-definition resolution options are readily accessible to you at your discretion, so do what works for you. The program also ensures quick uploading options through cloud storage, making it highly useful on any level. Finally, Adobe Premiere Pro remains the industry standard for professional-grade video editing. Its advanced multi-track timeline offers granular control over various layers and effects, making it ideal for high-end projects. Premiere Pro provides highly professional color grading options and robust audio editing tools, for example, audio keyframes, allowing detailed fine-tuning of audio levels and adding effects, creating polished and balanced video audio. This editing workspace has capabilities far beyond FILMORA's friendliness or the template capabilities of InVideo. Its seamless integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications, for example After Effects, Audition, Photoshop, ensures a streamlined and comprehensive workflow. Premiere Pro excels at multi-camera editing and offers extensive support for various formats: 4K, 8K, HDR, and VR. Several AI-powered features via Adobe Sensei further optimize workflows, such as auto-reframing for social media and scene edit detection to simplify extensive projects with numerous cuts. Advanced techniques are even included for special effects and various color modifications through LUTs advanced users to really hone in and edit precisely how they want. Adobe Premiere Pro's professional-grade features inspire you to push your video editing skills to new heights, no matter the complexity of your projects. InVideo provides a smooth on-ramp for beginner editors with its user-friendly interface, and vast library of pre-designed templates. FILMORA, on the other hand, offers a nice blend of power and usability, making it a flexible choice for individuals leveling up their video editing skills. Finally, Adobe Premiere Pro stands as the leading choice for professionals or those creating extensive content with advanced expectations. It offers a comprehensive set of features and advanced editing capabilities. Whichever editor best suits your style, your skill set, and more, your path to high-quality editing content starts now. Remember to subscribe to our newsletter for exclusive discount codes, tech tips, and insider tricks straight to your inbox. Check the links in the description for more information. If you are ready to take your animations to the next level, click the top right corner to learn Adobe's keyframe secrets. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more video editing and tech reviews. See you in the next video.